Oh my gosh, my heart has wings. It feels like it's flying, fluttering like a butterfly. And it's because I feel like I've been liberated. You know, I had this video in September 2023 where I had a lot of good comments, a lot, and I had some bashers. Whoa, bashers! Punching me left and right, punching me left and right. I'm 63 years old. I turned 64 in August. And I talked about how I would take care of my face, how I do not use Botox on my face. I don't have anything done, never had anything done, no surgery, nothing. And then I had all the worst, most painful comments. And the thing is, it's okay if they're commenting on the information you're sharing and they think they don't believe, but they're commenting on my personal appearance. And I think that's very rude when it comes to social media, attitude, manners. And that's why so many people do not like going on social media. I can't blame them. You have to have thick skin, right? Things like, oh, you look your age, so what? Like, well, thank you. I'm glad I don't look 92. Or when she's washing her face, you see all her wrinkles. Well, that's fine. I never hide my wrinkles. I actually talk about my wrinkles all the time. My number 11, they're my crow's feet, right? And some people said, pores don't open, pores don't close, no, whatever. And the thing is, it's okay to disagree, but you can always disagree in a manner that's dignified and respectful. Because you know what? The way you talk, the way you write your comments is not a reflection of moi, but it is a reflection of you. Now, in this video, I'm going to share actually a video that I saw of Dr. Anil Rajani. He's a dermatologist who actually confirmed that I was doing the right thing using my very special technique on how to wash my face. And that's our topic for today. Welcome everyone to my channel. I am just so happy to finally go over the past comments of a very powerful video I had back in the day, because I've had videos after that. You know, I post a video every week and I post some shorts to keep you entertained and informed, you know, things like that, just so you're not bored during the day. My goal is to actually empower you. So anything that will help you find your better version, anything that will make you feel good about yourself, trust me, I will be there. I'll be there. Anyway, so I'm going to share with you this video, a clipping of my video. Here you go.
Your pores are open during warm weather or when something warm touches your skin, and your pores closed during cold weather or when something cold touches your skin. I would wash my face with warm water, as warm as my skin can take. So I test it. How warm, as long as it doesn't burn your skin, right? I immerse my skin with that warm water for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, depending. Once I'm very sure that I've done that, my pores are open, that's when I wash my face with soap. And I use no fragrance clear soap. Soap that has practically only the cleansing ingredients in it. I wash my face thoroughly. Once I've done that, I'm going to apply the cold technique, ice, just 1 cube. And then I rub it on my face. I rub it for as long as I can, making sure that every inch of my face is rubbed by the ice. Seal in the cleanliness.
See, I talked about using warm water, lukewarm water to wash your face, to rinse it of any toxins, of any impurities, dirt, oil, grease, before you even soap it. Because you know, the pores are wide open. Like, visualize it wide open. It's easier to visualize. It's vulnerable. It's susceptible to anything you put in your skin. And then that's when you start cleaning it. I use Avin. I use my Sakilese Japanese soap, which is my favorite. I use non-fragrant soap. That's my favorite. And then I rinse with warm water. I don't want to rinse it with cold water because cold water will close the pores. And I'm just going to repeat the words, close the pores, because those were the most controversial words that I had. But take it from a point of view of trying to visualize what happens, right? And so rinse it with warm, and when you know it's very clean, very thoroughly washed, then you finally rinse it with very cold water. And once a month or twice a month, if I can do it, I do an ice rub. And this process of putting cold water, as cold as you can, on your face is also aligned with washing or showering with very cold water, because it helps you stay younger. It makes your body firm, your skin firm. Just listen to Dr. Rajani.
These are skin firming tips that you likely haven't heard of before. Now, the first one, it's absolutely free. It'll even save you on your electrical bill. But a lot of people hate me for it at first. And that is cold exposure. Cold exposure to your skin of water. And that's been shown to increase collagen, to tighten your skin. And people are not only shocked with the cold of the water, but they're shocked with the results that you get for skin tightening. You see, it also reduces pores and it decreases inflammation, and you have whole body well-being.
I am just so glad when I saw that, because I go like, oh my gosh, that's exactly what I've been doing. And that's why, for me, it actually has helped me keep my skin at least not looking 92. You know, aging is amazing. It is a beautiful process. I have accepted the fact that I'm over 60. I used to be ashamed of my age in my late 40s and middle 50s because I feel that I have not accomplished anything. I think that's how I understand it now. I couldn't understand it back then because I was wallowing in insecurity. But now, oh yes, I'm 63 and I'm very confident because I know that I have accomplished something. The fact that I have this platform where I'm able to tell women like you, and especially if you're younger, where I'm able to say, I've been there. I've done that. Trust me, this is what's going to happen. It makes me feel like an authority on it because what I'm sharing is based on my experience. And that's why I can tell you things based on experience, not based on books. I read a lot. I research a lot, as most of you who follow me know. And I confirm them and then I share information. Good or bad, I will be the messenger, right? And I love it when I find information, proven information, statistically proven that what I was doing is right. And so, yeah, there you go. Give it a try, because anything that will help us keep our skin firm without going through or under the knife, do it, right? Do it. Because everything is expensive. Have you heard about the tariffs that US is slapping on Canadian goods and the retaliatory tariffs that Canadians are also adding to their exports to the US? We just have to be ready because this is happening, whether we like it or not. So I'm just thinking, the sunblock that I used to buy for $70, ooh, it's gonna cost like 80, close to $90. So it's no joke. Everything adds up. Everything that you buy is gonna have an additional 25%. Oh my gosh, like what are we going to do, right? What are we going to do? So we just have to make sure we are buying the right products and doing the right thing. And if we can help our skin stay healthy by using homemade remedies, that's the goal. That's the goal. Like honey, avocado, papaya, aloe vera, things like that. We don't have to buy everything in a jar, especially now. We want to be frugal. We want to be careful with what we buy. And we just want to stay and look healthy and happy, regardless of our age. Well, I'm not a doctor. I'm not a guru, an influencer when it comes to skin. But this is my story. I'm 63 and I love what I do. And I love how I am able to share positivity and inspiration through my story, because looks are not everything. It's what comes from within that matters. Because when you're happy within, when you're grateful, who cares if you have wrinkles? Who cares if you have number 11 or crow's feet? The fact that you're proud of yourself makes you really stand out, and everybody's gonna want to be like you. I hope you liked this episode. If you did, don't forget to click the like button, share and comment, spread the word. Let everybody know that there's this 163-year-old woman who wants to inspire you. Let them know and let them come. Come, children, come. Because here's Mama Jackie, here's Auntie Jackie, here's your friend Jackie, trying to help you feel good about yourself, because that's what we are talking about. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.